the mute. Sorry about the mute, guys. Like, very sorry. I didn't notice I was muted. So basically today the game plan is just more price action trading. The bid and the ask is because I've connected with Trade08 now, and yeah, I don't have level 2 on them yet. So this was exactly why I kind of wanted to exit here, because we took out this previous pivot to this low node here and then just flashed in hard. So I thought this might reverse here. Basically the plan for today is just honestly basically it's more holding trades, like more price action trading than anything else really. Because I need to get better at holding trades and not pulling them so early and stuff and getting chopped up. I really got chopped up so much lately, and I need to get confidence back, and I need to hold my trade ideas as long as I don't see invalidations really. So yeah, that's like for me now. And here this sucks that I don't have the bid and ask here. I don't know why. Like maybe I've messed up like something in the settings, but I don't have level 2 anyway, so it pretty much doesn't matter. Like, let's see right now what happens on the breaker flow here. We're at the low now, but I don't think even if we yeah, this falls through, yeah. This would have been a very good short entry here as well, I guess. But so this does look like a full-on breakdown here. And I'm kinda annoyed that I need to bring up my DOM all the time again here. I need to put this on the second stream or some second screen or something, like, but I kinda want it here, so not really sure what I do about this. With the Trade08. I need to make a different setup and stuff. Yeah. Need to, yeah. Now we're kind of seeing this could have been here. Maybe a liquid. Now we do see bias come in here. Like, you could think about longing this, but the 175 here is kind of low noded area. Like, let's see how we do here. Now, do we have sellers come back in here? Yeah, we have big size selling coming back in. They're getting absorbed though. There, now we're ripping. Yeah. Now let's see what's happening at the 04s here. And this goes up as fast as it went down. Jesus. Like, this is volatile here. So he is struggling a little bit at this low node here. But the 0450 is like, yeah, like basically I said, the 04 is a kind of important level. Now I do see sellers come back in here. Do we want to take this lower? Nice. Awesome trim Tucson. Awesome scale. Yeah, our force is like really crucial today. Let's see if we break it now. I do think they have this one more attempt here. If they don't break it now, like I'm thinking about shorting. Let's see. They're struggling here. Let's give them. Trying to short this. Let's see. And I kind of need them reject here. They will freeze 25s now. Like this is another low node. Like we can't break this to the upside again now. Now this needs to kind of go here. Just like this. Yep. Oh. That's kind of look dangerous, like a bottom tick here. Like my scalping me would take it off here. I'm taking it off here. That's actually kind of what I don't want to do today. Like taking it off here because I need to let this play out. So the scalper just came out again in me. Like I really need to hold my trade ideas. Like this was not okay to pull this trade here. Really wasn't. Entry was kind of good, perfect almost. But I need to hold this, like you see, like now we're just going lower, yeah. Basically very bad pull, like, but that's why I'm not trading yeah, I'm just trading those here. Yeah, could very well be. Also seeing all this big selling into the lows, like this shit is going down further here. Probably. Ooh, lots of buying coming in now. Lots of buying. This is now just an eval. Like this is now just an eval because I did have I did trade it on Monday on my funded accounts and I had just such a bad day and pretty much the entire last week, like nothing is I still like have them, but I'm not trading them right now. Like I need to get confidence back. Before, like, and you see it today, like as long as I'm having things like this where I'm not executing, I'm not touching it. It's a lifetime fee anyway, so I couldn't care less. But yeah, I kind of really need to get some confidence back here. So now we kind of top tick this range here, but this was a very aggressive. Yeah, I got the 90% off here. And I wanted to get a TradeOvate connection anyways, because TradeOvate has lower fees than Rhythmic connection. So with Rhythmic you pay $4 round turn with Apex, and with TradeOvate you only pay $3 round turn. So you save $1 per contract, basically per trade in commissions if you use that TradeOvate connection. So it's a lot better to use TradeOvate than to use the Rhythmic connection. I just need to just figure all this stuff out with TradeOvate really here. So I kind of like this top tick here. So let's see now. Like I do want to short this actually. Like I want to short this here at this low node. I do think this was a top tick here. We kind of fell in hard. This could come back like to 04s again. But since this top ticked here, I do expect this to test at least the middle or kind of more the bottom of the range again, or even, yeah, like now we're going, yeah, that's kind of what I like. And I do even think, like, since we top ticked here, I can move my take profit a bit, because I do think we're gonna get a flush down now. Like, unless we pivot the middle hard here, which we kind of did now, so I need to be careful. So we pivoted the middle hard, but it still looks fine. Like, this should blow out to the bottom now. So we kind of top ticked here the top. So if you see like just one tick fell in, Now we're kind of building volume in the middle as well, which is good for me. So this should blow out to the bottom, at least for a bottom tick. Maybe even like for a full blowout. So let's see. But obviously anything can happen. Also, if this comes back again fast now, like actually I could move to break even here or one tick, because I kind of don't want to see this break the O2s here anyways. I think if it does, I'm probably wrong on my trade idea here. I'm gonna do this now. Move my stop here, because I don't know if this... yeah. Don't know. The thing is, this top ticked here, but it could be a mid pivot here as well, and then break higher. And not sure. Now it's struggling though again at the 03s here. Might re-enter this short. But that's again like me getting chopped up. So I'm gonna stay on the sideline now. So this is exactly what I don't wanna do here. Now though, like things kinda changed here. Now it kinda looks weak again. Re-entering short here. Going for the same move, like break of low. Oh, Jesus. That's just me again getting chopped up here. Let's see. The 04s here. Jesus. And I need to get out here. Oh, so that's like me getting chopped up once again, like not being disciplined here, not being patient. Yeah, but that's why here on just a combine or sim, whatever. Anyways, today. But yeah, good scale. But now we probably should break the 80-50 pivot here. So like we should at least come to 9s or something like this, in my opinion. Like they gonna stop run this here. No matter where we go. Like yep. So 850, now they just broke it by a tick. Let's see. So maybe wanna short here. They just broke it by a tick and now getting kinda rejected here, so I wanna short this. I don't like. They should reject a little bit harder here, like just like this. So I'm fine with this now. So basically, like we had the same setup. So we had this I need to move my take profit a bit here. So basically it was kind of my standard setup. Okay, we have a pivot here, which gets broken by a tick, just a tick. And then it rejects. So very often this is then a liquidity grab, especially if it rejects hard and on size. And I do like that the market to roll over there. But I also need to kind of hold this trade now. Like I can't just scalper profit, take its scalper's profit. I need to kind of hold those trades in order to have positive EV here. But I do think everything looks great here. Like I do like this trade. So they grabbed all this liquidity above this swing here. Now though I kinda need to see it break back into this volume area here though. Now it kinda needs to break 05. On the next push down it needs to break 05s really here. If it doesn't, like I might pull this. So it kinda needs to break 05s now. Let's see if it can. No, I can't. Giving it like one more attempt here at the 05s. If they can break it. Hey. Ja, voll. Weil die dieses mit Tradeaway wollte ausprobieren.
Ist es besser?
Ja, ist anders halt, aber es ist Tradeaway hat viel weniger Commissions. So, we're holding below my entries. I'm fine with this. It needs to break 05s now though, like really does need to break into this range. But it has, so it's getting, like, in my opinion, more likely and likely to break down here because it just at least for a liquidity grab here, yeah, like this. At least this was to expected. Now I do need to see follow through though. Now I don't want to see this pullback. Like, yep, exactly like this. Because it was kinda, yeah, very good here. Very good. Now let's see if we like mid-roll this, or mid-pivot here, or I want to stay in this trade here. I kind of giving it the pullback to, needs to stay below 5s now though, for this to make sense for me to hold it. So I still kind of want to hold it here, but I can't can't have it come back below above 05s here. Yeah, I need to see this yet. Like this is good. Like this is good here. Now let's see if it can break. It's kind of holding here in this low noded area. That's not so good for me. But it's not really like moving up either, so I'm fine. Like as long as it's hold here, I'm kind of fine. So that's what I don't like here. Let's see if really 05 is like kind of the point of interest here for me. If it breaks 05s, like I'm exiting on the first pullback lower. So pullbacks to 05 are fine. Like are fine for this bigger play here. So I'm still being calm here in this trade and staying patient. And now I do see lots of big buying here as well. So now some selling coming back in, but more buying. So just from the so now let's see if now it really should, like this top tick, this micro range here. So at this point it needs to tank. If we see follow through now, I'm out. So now this micro range here got top ticked. So at this point this needs to go. And it does go. So I'm completely fine with this trade. Still staying in it here. So this should probably flush now. I don't want to see it come above 325 still now. So it kind of needs to stay below this 350 here. Even thinking about trailing it to 350 here. Nah, this doesn't look good here. So we are at 350 now. It needs to tank here, which it kind of and the 350s here. I'm watching the 350s close. Now I'm out. Now I need to get out here. Trying to get out here. I guess it's okay. I could have maybe pulled it down here. But this had a lot of reward on it. So I think that the execution was fine. Because it could have also just blown the down and really like tanked here. So I'm fine. I'm fine. Like this is okay. Like I stayed to my plan here. Maybe could have trailed my stop to 350 when I said like it can't come above 350s here. So I've couldn't gotten one more point here in, but in general it's I guess fine here. Like let's see now what happens at 05s. So so we rejected the 05s pretty hard here. Kind of top ticked them in a way. Hello Ivan. If you'd only trade one lot, I would still recommend the 50k because I think you on the 25k, like you only have 1,250 drawdown, which is in my opinion too little to trade one micro. So I do think you kind of need to get the 50k account. So that's why I also get the 50ks always, because they do offer still a great risk to reward, because if you get any account higher than that, like you need to make so much profit in regarding to drawdown that I don't see that making a lot of sense. But because if you like get the 300k, for example, you have 7,500 drawdown, and you need to make 20k or so basically 3-1. And on the 50k, it's still fine. It's like 2,500 to 3,000. So that's why I like the 50k the most, to be honest, with Apex. And then you kind of need the drawdown. If you only want one, you would really need to trade micros, in my opinion, if you're going lower than that. And micros have just awful commissions, so in my opinion it's the smart thing to take the 50ks. That's why I also take them, basically. Thinking about re-entering short here on this low note here, so I'm in short now. I think we kinda need to get a second leg down here. Like we're still in this channel, and I could be wrong as well, so I don't wanna see follow through here. But we kinda top tick this range now. Let's see. And I do think like would make sense to grab this liquidity below here in pretty much every aspect at this point. So I like this short here, but let's see. So selling is picking up here into the low, which is always a good sign when you're short. Now this kinda I do want. So this is not the best right now for me, because this starts looking ugly here. So I do need to see this flush now. Yep, just like this. Taking it off here on the flush. Like, I don't know why. Jesus. Shouldn't have. Thank you, but kinda, I don't know, like I should have. I just, when my order just got executed on the pullback, like I was taking it off on the flush, but somehow it got, it got executed on the pullback, which kinda sucks. So I missed out on quite a bit here. Yeah, I probably will. Thing is, I really do think this goes lower now. The thing is, like, look at these pivots here. They are every pivot into the low here is just one tick. Like, I need to get in short here again. Like, I'm trying this again here. I do really think this wants to flush the lows. Like there is so much liquidity below the lows now. Like this kind of needs to flush the low of day here, in my opinion. Like there's so much liquidity down there, so I do think this should flush the low of days now. Let's see. I don't like how this comes against me here. Now one tick higher again. So this might not be ready yet. Now we see some absorption here. Trying to get out here for a tick. Ah, Jesus. Pulling my take profit here. Or my break even. The way it rejected the freeze here, like now I. Oh, Jesus. I'm still fine with this trade. I'm. I'll explain later why or what I'm looking here for, but this no, it starts to look kind of grim here. Maybe it wants to take the liquidity above 05 first. Yeah. No, it stops me out here. Not moving my stop. That sucks. Nah, I don't think I'm gonna get a standing desk. So trade idea here was that I do think if you look at this, all those pivots are always just getting one tick higher. So the might re-enter here for the short, same trade idea. Getting in here. I shouldn't have. This hasn't taken out this pivot yet. But the trade idea is that there is so much liquidity, and this looks too good for a bottom, in my opinion, for your average trader and kind of retail guys or whatever you want to call it. Like that, there's so much. This looks too clean of a bottom, you know. Like if something looks that clean like a bottom, it usually gets blown out, like at least once. The only problem is, like, if you look at this range, this could come like to the top of this range, no problem here. Before testing the lows again. So kinda not really the best entry here for me. Like too zoomed in again, too much trading the micro ranges again. So now we took out these pivots. Oh Jesus! Like, gonna stop me out here as well. Kind of bad, like overall just bad here. So let's see now what we do here. Like this now it kind of wants to go higher. So this doesn't look like a top tick now. This looks like it wants to go higher here. This looks like a full-on blowout or breakout here, in my opinion. But let's see. I'm gonna give this a couple more seconds. Okay, trying to long here. So this does look like a healthy breakout now, in my opinion. And not like earlier, where we kind of just took out the pivot and then kind of just straight up fell in. So this does look very healthy and can probably go far because there's not much liquidity up there. Like this can go very far, very fast. Now we kind of, the 12s got here a little bit rejected, I'd say. But I still expect this to fully go higher. Like, let's see, like this can come back to the 10s here. I want to see if it can hold above 10 here. Like we are kind of overextended already here, so maybe it's dangerous to hold this, I guess. But now I kind of want to see buyers come back in here. Like now we're pivoting around it. It's still holding above 10s here. Yeah, no, like, need buyers to show me that they here. Now they kind of do. So buyers are still, in my opinion, here in control. Like they held the 10s. No, I don't want to see them come below here again, to be honest. Like I don't want to see them lose the 10s. Now they do lose the 10s. So I might get out here just for a couple ticks. If they don't rip this now. Cutting this. Maybe the worst point to cut here, but it's maybe a point where I actually want to add and not cut. I don't know. Just too impatient, I guess. And now the buyers are coming back in. Trying to get back in here. Now I'm seeing what I kind of wanted to see earlier. Or not. Jesus. Oh, now we're breaking down here. Jesus, I should have. Thank God I'm just here on this event. Like, I need to take those kind of breaks in between my trades or something like this. Like, I knew where I wanted to get out. I can't just jump right in if I only see like one buyer come back let's see, we're in the previous volume zone here. They're really struggling here. Might even short here. I wanna wait for a pullback, to be honest, but let's see. Getting in short here. Now I'm looking for a break of low of day here. I am not taking this off early. Because this now looks kind of like a false break. So obviously it could hold here as well, I guess. But the way it's just hanging around here and not pivoting off of it, like, kinda tells me that this wants to go lower. And if it does go lower, there are a lot of people trapped who bought this breakout. And since there is so much liquidity in the lows here at 4,000, I mean, I don't know really, like, now this starts to look grim here. Maybe actually no, this looks more long. Yeah, I feel it's just way off. They're taking this higher. Now this is a nice candle. Hard rejection of this previous zone here. So this probably would have been a better short entry right now. Actually, thinking about even adding one contract here. Let's see if we struggle here now and get another rejection. I'm probably even adding one here. And I don't like adding to losses. Let's see. Watching here closely the tens. If we blast through the tens, I'm stopped out anyways. So I guess it doesn't really matter. And I'm stopped out. So my price action trading is actually awful here. But it's fine. Like, just practicing today. I wasn't trading yesterday, so I don't know. So now we do look like we are doing it's two-legged here. Hmm. We're really struggling here. Let's see if we get a top tick here. That would be nice for a short entry. Like a top tick here would be so nice. Like give me one top tick here. Now we do have it tick higher. But this is not a top tick, this is a breakout. So yeah. Now it's going higher. So this does look like it wants to go higher here, I guess. Oh, this is kind of top tick here. Now we're seeing a lack of selling, so yeah. Let's see. I'm just trading awful again today. So is this gonna stop me out? Like I'm stopping again for the day like this. It doesn't even make sense to trade on sim like this, to be honest. But it was kind of top tick of this range, Like I really like this trade because we have this pivot here, we have this pivot here. Does make a lot of sense. So don't know. But it seems like I'm wrong yet again here. We do still see strength. Oh, this is better. So this looks very juicy now. Adding here. Don't know what's happening now. I have this. I have 3 here. Okay, I'm short 2, but why do I have then a 3 buy stops here? That's what I don't understand. I guess. No, it's fine, I guess. I really do like this trade. But the thing is, it's probably gonna go for for the overnight low here at 1675. So I'm probably gonna get stopped out here, which is fine. But yep. Okay. Yeah, Jesus. Just like yesterday. Not yesterday. Like Monday, like trading awful here. Gonna stop here now. Maybe let's watch it. I don't really care that much here anyways, but let's see, like, if we do get a break of the overnight here. Not bridge, yeah, I'm doing just here the connection here. So I'm having this connected just with yeah. So just here connection manager and then connect with trader weight, yes. But I'm kind of struggling, like, because the thing is that I need to make my setup a little bit different somehow, because obviously I can't like move around the chart here, and then every time I press something here, because I kind of want to execute on Jigsaw, every time I press something here, obviously Jigsaw goes into the back, which kind of sucks. So I do expect them to take out the overnight here. And then it's interesting. Like, do we see a real break of the overnight? Or do we see a top tick of the overnight? Let's see. So I do think they need to at least like one time kind of like this. There's just too much liquidity up there. Yeah, I think so too. Yeah, that's also one of the reasons I wanted to switch here to. So now we did break it. So now let's see what happens. Do we see this reject here? Or do we see this go? I do see still some bigger buyers interested. So this looks like it wants to go higher. Yep, this is ripping here. Maybe I should have. Honestly, kind of could have trusted me long here. So where can this go? Like maybe yesterday's high, maybe 20 here, Ooh, now at 20, the first sign of bigger sellers here. And yep. Shorted a little bit too late here. And lots of big selling here. I'm watching if this can break the 1650s here, the overnight. Oh, nice. Nice hedge. So I do expect people now to take profits here. So let's see. Oh, we just like buyers are just coming back in here. Jesus. Now this looks interesting. Let's see. Hmm. There are lots of big sellers here, so that's kind of good at least. But it seems like the bid is just taking them. Hmm. Now we kind of do look like we're breaking down, so that's good. Let's see if we can break 1650 here. kind of struggling here. Now we did 2 trades, 1650. Yeah, now we broke it, so that's nice. Now I need to see some follow through. Follow through. We do have some follow through. Oh no, that's not so nice. No, I don't want this to hold above 1650 again. It has to go. It does. Good. Still fine with this trade. Let's see this low order section here in the 15s. Yeah, nice. This could be it, really. Getting out here. Because now we kind of bottom ticked this pivot here, so yeah. I'm kind of want to long this actually. Longing this. It's a little bit chased here, but it's fine, I guess. Where could we take this? I'm gonna try to take this to yesterday's high. I don't like how hard it rejected off of here, but this still is fine. I do like this trade. Because this pretty much, this tick here, like, grabbed the liquidity down below here, it pivoted out of it. So kinda think this wants to continue higher. I just gotta manage to hold the trade, honestly. Might be adding to the winning trade here, in case this starts going. So if we do break this high here, I might add. Putting a buy stop order here. Because if we do break this, this should now kind of go. Something's wrong here with my Anyways, whatever. So let's see if we can break the high here. I think we should be like, this should like really rip now. Thinking about maybe pulling one here, but don't know. I think it makes so much sense. Ooh. Let's see if we can break half day here. And let's see if we do, yeah, we see big buyer break it here. That's good, like it's really good. Like we should be in for another leg here. Unless we completely fall in now, but which we're not. So we should be in for another leg usually here. No, that's not good. Pulling this. Can't hold this here. Jeez. We just broke high of days so slightly here. And then the way we just tanked here. We didn't look healthy. I don't know. Thank you. Good luck, everyone, as well. Might even wanna short here. Why didn't it work? I'm also calling it like, I'll stop here. Like, getting chopped up. Like, I'm not sticking to my rules, so where's the point here in trading, really? Anyways, so see you guys tomorrow. Peace.